So the question is, considering a Lindholm diagram, which of the following metals can be used to reduce alumina? Iron, zinc, magnesium, and copper. So the answer is 3. Let's look at the key concept in Lindholm diagrams is that it helps us in predicting the feasibility of thermal reduction of an ore, as you can see over here in this diagram. So the criterion of feasibility is that at a given temperature, Gibbs energy of the reaction must be negative. Let me just, yeah. So Gibbs energy of the reaction must be negative. So Gibbs energy, which is delta G versus the T plots schematic for the formation of some oxides, is what we call the Ellingham diagram, as you can see over here. So according to Ellingham diagram, the temperature at which two lines intersect shows that the metal will reduce the oxide of the other metals which lie above it in the Ellingham diagram. So also, in other words, we can say that the metal oxide having more negative value of delta GF or Gibbs energy can reduce the oxide having less negative delta GF. So as you can see clearly in this one, magnesium has more delta G negative value than alumina, so it will be in lower part of the aluminum diagram. Hence, it will be used to reduce alumina.